Welcome to SferaAI's tutorial on setting up your profile. Let's jump in and make sure your business is ready to impress your customers. To set up your business profile, go to your dashboard and click Profile under Organization, and then click Edit Profile. You can check or change the basic business info you provided during sign up. After that, you can edit your profile content including About Us, Terms and Condition, Privacy Policy, and Data Consent Terms. You can also use the Write For Me feature to help you write this content more easily. You can choose the theme for your online profile. You can upload logos for the light and dark backgrounds, icon, and pick colors for the background, button, text, and panel. Lastly, you can set up SEO for your online profile, including the focus key phrase, page title, and meta description. You can also change or add location if you have multiple branches. To add the new location, click on New Location, then fill in the name, permalink, registered name, registration number, phone number, email, full address, and status. You can also set operating hours and add photos of the branch outlet, and then click Save Changes. To set up and add staff, click on Staff, and then select New. Fill in the staff's information such as name, mobile number, email, ID number, date of birth, job title, specialization, status, and profile photo, and then click Create. Here you can also view bookings, services, notes, and reviews for that staff. If you have multiple staff members, you can also schedule their shifts using the Schedule feature. Click on New Schedule and then choose the staff member, location, date, start time, and end time of the shift. You can select whether this schedule repeats or not, and then click Submit. If you have certain facilities you want to rent out, you can manage them in the Facilities feature. First, choose New Resource to add a facility. Fill in the facility's name, description, location, type, and status. You can also add photos of the facility and then click Create. To set the availability of facilities, go to Facility Schedule, click New Schedule, choose the previously created facility name, set available date and time, indicate if it's a recurring schedule or not, and then click Submit. If you offer many services, you can organize them into different categories using the Categories feature. To create a new category, click on New Category and then write its name and description. Don't forget to turn on its visibility if you want this category to be active and available, and then click Create. Meanwhile, if you want to add the new service, click on Services and then select New Service. Enter the service details such as its name, category, description, additional photos, status, minimum booking payment, and whether the price is a fixed amount or a percentage of the service price. Also indicate the price type as actual or estimated, and add special prices if you have any promotion. Enter the price name for the service type. Next, set the service duration and decide whether the schedule is already blocked or if you are still open for other appointments. Enter the service location and choose the staff responsible. Finally, decide if you allow customers to choose specific staff for the service. Once done, click Create Service. You can also control your team's access under Users. To add new users, click New User and fill in their name, email, phone number, new password, role, status, outlet, and staff details. And then click Create. And that wraps it up. Your profile is now set to impress your customers. Lastly, if you want to see how to make a booking on your booking page, just click the online profile URL on your profile. And then pick a location, click Order Now, enter your email, and fill in your details like name, phone number, and date of birth. Enter the verification code from your email and proceed by selecting service package you want. Click Next, choose the date and time for the service. You can review your reservation. If everything looks right, confirm it, and your booking is done.